What if a single plant could completely transform your home from ordinary to stunning? Imagine walking into a room that instantly feels fresh, cozy, luxurious, and full of life, all because of the perfect indoor plant. Today, we're revealing 15 beautiful plants that interior designers and plant lovers absolutely adore for home decoration. These plants don't just look amazing. Many are easy to care for, air purifying, and perfect for creating that Instagram-worthy aesthetic everyone wants right now. Whether you live in a tiny apartment, a modern condo, or a spacious house, there's a gorgeous plant on this list that can elevate your space instantly. From dramatic tropical leaves to elegant flowering beauties, these plants can make any room feel calm, stylish, and welcoming. Stay until the end, because the final plant is one of the most luxurious indoor plants you can own, and it can make your home look like a five-star resort. Number 1. Monstera deliciosa. The Monstera deliciosa is one of the most iconic indoor plants for modern home decoration. Its massive split leaves instantly create a tropical luxury vibe that makes any room feel stylish and alive. Interior designers love using monsteras because they add bold texture and natural beauty without overwhelming a space. This plant works especially well in living rooms, home offices, and empty corners that need a statement piece. The deep green leaves pair beautifully with minimalist furniture, wooden decor, and neutral color palettes. Another reason people love monsteras is their fast growth. With proper care, they can become large, dramatic plants that completely transform a room's atmosphere. They thrive best in bright, indirect sunlight and only need watering when the soil begins to dry. Adding a monstera to your home instantly creates a cozy, tropical, and expensive-looking aesthetic that feels both relaxing and trendy at the same time. Number 2. Snake plant. The snake plant is perfect for people who want beautiful home decor without complicated plant care. Its tall, upright leaves create a clean and modern look that fits almost any interior design style. Whether your home is minimalist, industrial, boho, or contemporary, the snake plant blends in effortlessly while still standing out as a decorative feature. One of the biggest reasons this plant is so popular is because it thrives on neglect. It tolerates low light, irregular watering, and dry indoor air, making it ideal for beginners. Many homeowners place snake plants in bedrooms, hallways, or office corners because they add height and structure without taking up much space. The dark green leaves with yellow edges create a bold visual contrast that instantly catches attention. Besides looking stylish, the snake plant is also known for improving indoor air quality, helping your home feel fresher and more relaxing every day. Number 3. Fiddle leaf fig. The fiddle leaf fig has become a superstar in interior design because of its giant glossy leaves and dramatic appearance. This plant instantly makes any room look elegant, luxurious, and professionally styled. It's often featured in magazines, designer homes, and social media because of its ability to create a high-end aesthetic with very little effort. The large violin-shaped leaves bring natural texture and vibrant color into indoor spaces, especially modern living rooms and apartments. Fiddle leaf figs work beautifully beside sofas, large windows, or empty corners that need visual balance. Although they look sophisticated, they simply need bright, indirect light and consistent watering to thrive. Their vertical growth also helps draw the eyes upward, making rooms feel taller and more spacious. When placed in a beautiful decorative pot, this plant becomes a living piece of art. It's the perfect choice for anyone wanting their home to feel trendy, fresh, and luxurious. Number 4. Pothos. Pothos plants are loved worldwide because they are beautiful, versatile, and incredibly easy to grow. Their long, trailing vines create a soft and relaxing look that instantly adds warmth to indoor spaces. Pothos can be displayed in hanging baskets, floating shelves, wall planters, or decorative pots, making them one of the most flexible plants for home decoration. The heart-shaped leaves come in stunning shades of green, yellow, and variegated patterns that brighten any room naturally. One reason people adore pothos is their fast growth. Even beginners can quickly grow lush, cascading vines that create a jungle-like atmosphere indoors. This plant thrives in low to bright indirect light and doesn't require frequent watering, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Whether you place it in a kitchen, bedroom, or office, Pothos adds movement, texture, and vibrant greenery that makes homes feel more alive, cozy, and welcoming every single day. Number 5. Peace Lily. The peace lily is one of the most elegant indoor plants you can use for home decoration. Its glossy, dark green leaves combined with graceful white flowers create a peaceful and sophisticated atmosphere that instantly calms a room. This plant is especially popular in bedrooms and reading spaces because it adds softness and serenity to the environment. Peace lilies thrive in medium to low light conditions, making them ideal for indoor living. They also communicate clearly when they need water by gently drooping their leaves, which makes plant care simple even for beginners. Beyond their beauty, peace lilies are famous for helping improve indoor air quality, making homes feel fresher and healthier. Their clean and timeless appearance matches almost every decor style, from minimalist apartments to cozy traditional homes. If you want a decorative plant that feels luxurious, calming, and easy to maintain, the peace lily is an excellent choice. Number 6. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant is a favorite among homeowners because it combines beauty with extreme durability. Its thick, glossy leaves reflect light beautifully, giving the plant a polished and luxurious appearance. This plant looks fantastic in modern apartments, offices, and minimalist interiors because of its structured shape and rich dark green color. One of the best things about the ZZ plant is how low maintenance it is. It can survive low light, dry air, and occasional neglect while still looking healthy and vibrant. That makes it perfect for busy people or anyone new to indoor gardening. The waxy leaves also create a clean and elegant visual texture that pairs beautifully with modern furniture and decorative pots. Many people place ZZ plants in entryways, bedrooms, or workspaces to create a fresh and calming atmosphere. Even a single ZZ plant can make a room feel more stylish, sophisticated, and naturally inviting. Number 7. Areca palm. The areca palm is one of the best indoor plants for creating a tropical and relaxing atmosphere at home. Its soft, feathery fronds instantly make spaces feel brighter, fresher, and more luxurious. Many interior designers use areca palms to soften modern interiors and bring natural movement into a room. This plant looks especially beautiful in living rooms, near large windows, or beside sofas where its graceful leaves can spread naturally. The vibrant green foliage creates a calming resort-style vibe that makes homes feel peaceful and welcoming. Areca palms thrive in bright indirect light and enjoy slightly moist soil, making them fairly easy to maintain indoors. Because they can grow quite tall, they work perfectly as statement plants that fill empty corners with life and elegance. Whether your style is modern, boho, tropical, or minimalist, the areca palm adds freshness, texture, and beauty that instantly upgrades your home decor. Number 8. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is admired for its bold, glossy leaves and rich, deep green color that instantly adds sophistication to indoor spaces. Its thick leaves reflect light beautifully, giving the plant a luxurious appearance that fits perfectly in modern and elegant homes. Rubber plants are excellent for living rooms, offices, and entryways because they create a strong visual impact without requiring too much maintenance. Many homeowners love this plant because it grows upright and tall, making rooms feel more balanced and stylish. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and only needs moderate watering, making it a great option for beginners who want a dramatic decorative plant. Some varieties even feature dark burgundy or variegated leaves that add extra personality to your decor. Placing a rubber plant in a decorative pot instantly transforms empty spaces into eye-catching focal points. It's a timeless indoor plant that brings warmth, elegance, and modern beauty into any home. Number 9. Calatheas are some of the most visually stunning indoor plants because of their incredible leaf patterns and vibrant colors. Their leaves often feature artistic combinations of green, silver, purple, pink, and dark stripes that make them look almost hand-painted. These plants are perfect for adding personality and decorative detail to shelves, desks, coffee tables, and bedrooms. Unlike larger statement plants, calatheas work beautifully as accent pieces that draw attention without taking over a room. One of the most fascinating things about calatheas is that their leaves move throughout the day, gently opening and closing with light changes, which is why they are sometimes called prayer plants. They prefer medium indirect light and enjoy humidity, making them ideal for cozy indoor environments. Their unique appearance instantly adds elegance and artistic beauty to home interiors. If you want a plant that feels exotic, colorful, and luxurious, calatheas are an excellent choice. Number 10. Boston Fern. Boston ferns are loved for their lush, soft foliage that creates a fresh and calming atmosphere indoors. Their long, arching fronds add texture and movement to spaces, making rooms feel more natural and inviting. These plants are especially beautiful in hanging baskets, plant stands, or elevated shelves where their leaves can cascade gracefully downward. Boston ferns work wonderfully in bathrooms, kitchens, or cozy corners because they enjoy humidity and soft indirect light. Their bright green color instantly brings life into indoor spaces and pairs beautifully with wood furniture and neutral decor. Many homeowners use Boston ferns to create relaxing environments that feel peaceful and connected to nature. Although they require slightly more moisture than some houseplants, their beauty makes the extra care worthwhile. A healthy Boston fern can completely soften a room's appearance and create a welcoming atmosphere that feels fresh, vibrant, and incredibly cozy every day. Number 11. Bird of Paradise. The bird of paradise is a stunning tropical plant that instantly creates a dramatic luxury look indoors. Its massive, banana-like leaves bring bold energy and elegance into living spaces, making it one of the most eye-catching decorative plants available. This plant is perfect for people who want their home to feel like a modern tropical resort or luxury hotel. Bird of paradise plants thrive in bright spaces with plenty of indirect sunlight, and with proper care, they can grow impressively tall indoors. Their large sculptural leaves make rooms feel lively, stylish, and full of personality. Interior designers often place these plants near windows, sofas, or empty corners where they can become natural focal points. Even a single bird of paradise can transform a simple room into a sophisticated designer-inspired space. If you love bold statement decor and tropical aesthetics, this plant delivers beauty, elegance, and unforgettable visual impact. Number 12. Chinese Evergreen. Chinese evergreens are among the most colorful and beginner-friendly indoor plants for home decoration. Their beautiful leaves feature combinations of green, silver, pink, cream, and even red tones that instantly brighten indoor spaces. These plants are ideal for adding pops of color and softness to bedrooms, offices, shelves, and tabletops. One reason Chinese evergreens are so popular is because they tolerate low light conditions extremely well, making them perfect for apartments and rooms with limited sunlight. They also require minimal care, which makes them excellent for busy homeowners or new plant parents. Their compact shape allows them to fit beautifully into small decorative spaces while still creating strong visual interest. Whether paired with modern pots or woven baskets, Chinese evergreens bring warmth and vibrancy into any room. They are perfect for anyone wanting a decorative plant that combines beauty, easy care, and colorful elegance in one stunning package. Number 13. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the most cheerful and easy-to-grow indoor plants for home decoration. Its long, arching green leaves with white stripes create a soft, flowing look that instantly makes rooms feel fresh and lively. Spider plants are especially beautiful in hanging baskets, floating shelves, or elevated plant stands where their cascading leaves and baby plantlets can spill downward naturally. This playful growth habit adds movement and texture to indoor spaces, making homes feel cozy and welcoming. One reason so many people love spider plants is because they are extremely low maintenance and adapt well to different lighting conditions. They thrive in bright, indirect light but can also tolerate lower light environments, making them perfect for apartments and offices. Their vibrant foliage pairs beautifully with modern boho or minimalist decor styles. A healthy spider plant instantly adds charm, freshness, and natural beauty to almost any room in your home. Number 14. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a beautiful succulent plant that combines modern style with practical benefits. Its thick, pointed leaves create a clean sculptural appearance that fits perfectly into minimalist and contemporary home decor. Aloe vera looks especially attractive on kitchen counters, sunny windowsills, coffee tables, and office desks where its unique shape can stand out naturally. Besides being decorative, This plant is also famous for the soothing gel inside its leaves, which many people use for skincare and minor burns. Aloe vera thrives in bright sunlight and requires very little watering, making it one of the easiest plants to maintain indoors. Its compact size also makes it ideal for smaller homes or apartments where space is limited. Whether displayed in ceramic pots, woven baskets, or modern containers, aloe vera adds freshness and simplicity to indoor spaces. It's the perfect plant for anyone wanting stylish greenery with low maintenance and practical everyday value. Number 15. Orchids are among the most elegant and luxurious indoor plants you can use for home decoration. Their graceful flowers instantly add sophistication and beauty to any room, making homes feel calm, stylish, and expensive. Phalaenopsis orchids are especially popular because of their long-lasting blooms and stunning variety of colors, including white, pink, purple, and yellow. These plants look amazing on dining tables, coffee tables, bedside stands, and office desks, where they become natural centerpieces. Orchids thrive in bright indirect light and prefer gentle watering, making them easier to care for than many people expect. Their sleek stems and delicate flowers pair beautifully with modern interiors, luxury decor, and minimalist spaces. Even a single orchid can transform the atmosphere of a room by adding elegance and softness. If you want a plant that feels timeless, graceful, and incredibly decorative, orchids are one of the best choices for indoor beauty. Those were 15 beautiful plants that can completely transform your home into a fresh, relaxing, and stylish space. Whether you love giant tropical leaves, colorful foliage, elegant flowers, or low-maintenance greenery, there's a perfect indoor plant for every home and every personality. Plants don't just make rooms look beautiful. They also create a calming atmosphere that helps homes feel more alive and welcoming every single day. Even adding one small plant can instantly change the mood of a room and bring natural beauty indoors. So, which plant was your favorite on today's list? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more indoor plant ideas, home decor inspiration, and easy gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.